Good morning, my name is Dave Springer, CEO of Metabolic Robots. Old MacDonald, or Dod Moshe, had a farm, and on his farm he had some poultry. But Old MacDonald had to close down his farm because he wasn't making enough money. The problem was that he was spending about 50 to 70% of his overall costs on the feed, and about 5% of his chickens were being killed fighting over it. Old MacDonald's experience was no different from thousands of other poultry farmers worldwide. These farmers are struggling to make ends meet, and improving the feeding system is going to be crucial. Like other poultry farmers, Old MacDonald was using standard feeding systems. These systems distributed the feed at predefined intervals during the course of the day. Since the timed feeding didn't coincide with the birds' actual hunger, they were often anxious and hungry, which led to them overeating and fighting over the feed. Metabolic Robot Systems are going to change all that. Introducing Metabolic Robots' first product, the Kaizen Robotic Feeding System. A Kaizen line controller easily connects to the existing feeding lines in the poultry house. The master controller collects data from these lines and uses proprietary algorithms to control the rate of feed distributed at various locations within the poultry house. The vast amount of data collected from systems installed worldwide will be used to create a valuable cloud-based database. The farmer will be able to use this big data to predict how different breeds will react and perform under a variety of feeding and climatic conditions. The Kaizen is the only system that accounts for the flock's behavior, age, and breed, anticipating growth spurts, and actual need. The result is feeding in a manner that matches the bird's actual needs. Testing using our alpha system has shown that as an average poultry farmer in the US, Old MacDonald could have saved himself up to $40,000 a year per poultry house had he been using the Kaizen system. The Kaizen system provides an ROI within 1 year. This could have prevented Old MacDonald from closing down his farm. Additional advantages using the Kaizen system include the ability to detect disease in the flock before an outbreak occurs based on feeding patterns, in addition to increased poultry weight. This is the first time that farmers will have access to such valuable capabilities. Metabolic Robots is exploring several routes for getting its product to the market. And the market is very interested in our technology. One of the world's largest equipment manufacturers in Germany has been testing our alpha system and is eagerly awaiting our beta system due the end of this quarter, Q1 2014. We're currently negotiating agreements with this potential customer, as well as another potential customer in South America with over 1,000 poultry houses. By the end of this quarter, Q1 2014, we expect to have 8 beta systems running in 3 different countries. In order to achieve the goals ahead of us, we're seeking an investment of $1.5 million. These funds will be used to turn our beta system into a completed and certified product, to gain market traction, and to create and maintain the big data product. With beta testing the beginning of this year, Metabolic Robots is advancing towards its goal of sales in the second quarter of 2015. By the end of that year, poultry farmers worldwide will be able to take advantage of the Kaizen system, increasing their margins so that farmers like Old MacDonald or Dod Moshe will be able to survive in this very challenging industry. Thank you very much.